Get into a car with value. 2019 Ford Ranger. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get serious about your outdoor lifestyle. Take a closer look at this Ranger, the midsize pickup that's ready for work or adventure. Rigorously tested and proven tough even under extreme conditions, it offers a surprising tow and payload capacity, aerodynamic styling, and an irresistible blend of comfort and convenience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, 4x4, remote engine start, keyless start, satellite radio, power passenger seat. Athletic agility meets efficient capability in this versatile Ranger. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.